One hot sunny day, a small mouse deer was walking in the jungle. He was very hungry and wanted to eat some fruits on the other side of the river. However, the river was full of hungry crocodiles. An idea came to his mind. He saw, "Hey crocodile!" A crocodile so fast and as if the mouse deer had come to eat its lunch. The mouse deer replied that the king was having a party and told the crocodile to gather all his friends. After all crocodiles gathered, the mouse deer ordered him to float in the water from one side of the river to the other. The crocodile's orange stands up to float across the river. The mouse deer then jumped onto